Crop tool. Crop tool, as the name suggests, is mainly used for cropping some portion of the object. Let's see how it works. Import a bitmap on the drawing page. Now go to Toolbox. Choose Crop tool and drag it over the portion which you want to crop. As you leave the mouse button, a border with 8 handles will be visible. You can increase or decrease the size of a border by holding these handles, like this. Now, after you become satisfied, double-click inside the selected portion. Now, the rest of the bitmap will be removed and you will get only the cropped portion of the bitmap. There is no property for this tool. Now I'm sure you can easily cut any of your preferred parts from the picture to make your own goodies. Interactive Transparency Tool. Interactive Transparency Tool helps in making objects transparent which is partially visible. Let's see how this tool works. For this, we are going to import an image. Now put an object over it like this. Now, choose the Interactive Transparency tool from the toolbox. Just click on the object and drag the pointer without leaving the mouse button in any direction. Note the color of the object. It's reduced and now the object below is visible. Now let's see properties of Transparency tool. You can edit the particular transparency effect by clicking the very first icon called Edit Transparency in the property bar. After clicking the icon, the fountain transparency window is visible from where you can easily choose color, color blend, and type of transparency. The transparency type can be given from the transparency type list. Transparency operations can be given from the list. Value for transparency midpoint, angle, and edge pad can be adjusted. Transparency target can also be set. Thus, by using Interactive Transparency tool, you can easily give some very special effects to your work. Knife tool. It's a really interesting tool like its name. As the name suggests, Knife tool helps us to cut objects in the desired shape. Let's see how it works. Here, draw a circle on the drawing area. Choose a Knife tool from the toolbox. Note here, as you take Knife tool over the border or edge, it's turning to vertical positions. Now hold your left button and drag the mouse in your desired shape. Now, drag the selected portion of the object. This object is cut into 2 parts. A property of Knife tool is Leave as one object and Auto Close on cut. This is how you can give different shapes to a simple basic object.